So hello guys, my name is Mohit Koshin and you'll be watching Hackers. After a long time we create another video for you guys after doing a lot of comments. So now I will tell you 5 benefits of a Python, like how to learn about a Python, what is a Python and how you do that and get a job easily. So I will tell you 5 benefits of a Python. So the first benefit you see on the right side. The first benefit, Python is a basic programming language used in a web platforms. So if you are interested to make a web, so you can definitely go with the Python because it is an easy programming language and easy to understand as well. There are a lot of frameworks like Django, Flask as well. So you can learn how to create a web in a back end or in a front end. So Jinja is also used for front end as well. And if you know another front end programming language like a React, Angular and Vue.js, so you can also integrate with that. So the second benefit with the Python is that the Python is also using in ML and AI as well. So now these days ML is like a hot job everywhere, where you can learn about how to make a chatbot, how to use ML in agriculture, business, and many other fields, which can help you to make your life easy. You also see medical appliances as well, where ML is used. Now these days the heart disease also covered by ML. The TensorFlow is the only framework which can help to grow the business in agriculture, medical, and business as well. So Python is used everywhere in that case. So the third benefit is that like Python is a top programming language after the Java. Like, but now these days Java is not much popular. Like mainly the big level MNC level companies are using Java, but the local companies and the mid level companies are using Python to make the better platforms. So AWS and many other things also get a lot of new things with the Python as well. You also see the Instagram, Facebook, and many other social apps, which is also created via Python as well. So you can also make the games with the Python as well. There are a lot of multi-level, multiplayer games as well, which is also created via Python as well because you need to write a less number of codes with the help of Python. So I think Python is a best language we are ever used. I don't know, like in a future which language is most popular, but now these days Python is the most popular languages, and you easily get a job in Python as well. So if you have any questions regarding a Python, then just do in a comment and I will reply you for that. Thank you guys.